Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making electrical safety absolute. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and tuck the cable away. Next, remove the seat and the minimal body panels that block access to the starter. This exposes the self-motor assembly. Use a marker to note wire and connector positions. This saves reassembly time. Once done, clear the workspace of debris, lay out tools in order, and keep a rag handy for oil drips. Make sure to work on level ground to prevent the scooter from tipping while you proceed. You now focus on the starter itself. First label and unplug the electrical connectors, and then unbolt the ground and power lugs. This prevents confusion later. Support the motor from below with your hand or a small jack, because once the bolts are loose, it can drop. Remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts. Keep threads clean and organized. While the starter is free, observe the pinion engagement with the flywheel to understand the mesh orientation. Doing so makes reinstallation straightforward and avoids damage to teeth or gears. You slide the starter out carefully, rotating it as needed to clear the casing, then inspect brushes, commutator, and the reduction gear for excessive wear. This explains failure modes. Clean the mating surface and replace any deteriorated gasket or O-ring to ensure a good seal. Once reinstalled in reverse order, torque bolts to spec and reconnect the battery. Finally, test the unit briefly. If you hear grinding or no spin, stop and recheck wiring and gear alignment. That's the key troubleshooting tip to prevent further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.